Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Undertale on your phone. Many fans want to experience this beloved role-playing game on the go, and with a few simple steps, you can. We will focus on an easy method for Android devices, ensuring you can dive into the underground with optimized touch controls and smooth gameplay. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure right from your pocket. Before we begin, let's prepare your Android device. First, make sure you have at least 150 megabytes of free storage space available. Next, navigate to your phone's security settings and enable the option for unknown sources. This allows you to install applications from outside the official App Store. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection to download the game files efficiently. Now, let's get to the installation. You will need to download the Undertale APK file from a reliable source, such as APK Pure. Once the download is complete, open your phone's file manager and navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Undertale APK file you just downloaded, then simply tap on it to start the installation. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Congratulations! You are now ready to play Undertale on your Android phone. Simply launch the game from your app drawer. This mobile port comes with convenient built-in touch controls, so no extra setup is required. Prepare to immerse yourself in the charming world of Undertale, make choices that matter, and encounter its unforgettable cast of characters, all from the palm of your hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.